Alright, good
Yeah,
boy.
darling. And then people are them bad. We see person things say you mix up. So see I coming like anybody else. I sitting there too. Hey, you see all that uno? Oh, somebody we are gonna talk up to Sasha, cause Sasha my friend for 4 years. So me can't talk to Sasha. Not even Steph me not talk to again, me look, I don't want a problem. Yeah. I not here, bro. Not even Steph me not talk to neither. I don't want a problem. And Candy. Me not talk to none of uno out here, me love. None of uno. Brassy, Candy, Darren, none of uno again, me not talk to them, look, me not have luck. Me not have luck with people. Me not know Steph from nowhere. Everybody see Steph on the internet, we like Steph, we talk to Steph, me not talk to Steph, because speech where you just, the speech where Joan just make a while ago, and so, me not nobody judge me wrongfully. Me not talk to none of uno, me love you. Well, I know, me not talk to none of uno, me not against me not talk to nobody. I want to say by myself. Yes, I'm not own nobody no loyalty. I'm not own nobody nothing. Let me say by myself. Yes. It's not poor Steph, I'm you. It's not poor Steph, me a perfect me blood clot self. Cause Joe make a remarks and say me can't tear myself if go ask people who know me like who on internet know me. Everybody on internet give me things and tell me and take it me this out them blood clot. Me work across people for them. Yes. But want name call a who say me talk about Joanne son. I mean I know nothing about Joanne son. But she was defending you. Me not talk about different. Listen, go for the wrong tidings. I said I am staying away from everybody because based off the information that Joanne just said a while ago, say Steph go ask people who know me can't TM. So this shot for me and Steph go talk up on Instagram and become this so-called friend and then nothing go happen. Me better me stay far. She don't know me and me don't know her. So she not fi ask nobody nothing about me. You understand? Me I prevent myself because me can't take them as something here. Cause Joanne say Steph go ask people who know me because I can't tame. Ask people like blood clot, who? Ask people like who? Why don't you want to come call me my people also?
Hold on.
Eh?
Barry, listen to me, yeah? Me and people are two different somebody. Let me tell you this. Nobody can call me and tell me say nobody say. Me never go off a hearsay yet.
No, hearsay me a talk about me a talk
Never.
about. Me not talk about hearsay, me a talk about this conversation when she come up here and say. You written to woman say she come up here so she say.
Yeah, me hear what she say, but me not listen to people. Just hear me hear what she say.
So me no want to be friend with
I
me
heard
no
what
want
she
to
said, but that can't
me
change
don't
me.
want to be friend with nobody. Because them sit go out move and I'm not friend with nobody. Me look, I'm tired of them sitting here. I'm want class some blood clot. Girl, let me see her come from me pussy clot live.
Nah laugh.
Oi.
Nah laugh for it. It can't hear what happen
I
now.
want class
You
some girl
see
let me see
me?
her tune in for me live.
Me not have foolishness with nobody. Me not in the foolishness with nobody. And me, if me feel like give somebody something, nobody. The Bible tell you where you right and know your left and not supposed to know. Me leave people for always talk and talk the good things them. Me left people to talk and talk the good things them. Me not self praises, no recommend them. So me not give nobody and cuss them.
That
Cause
oh this
moon
a
want
this
nobody
a
give
Peter
me
Paul
and
is
cuss
going to talk
them.
about me fi show up the whatever me look. Oh you at first me I see you come as a blood clot chat. Go suck your mama come up from my blood clot page. Wall a black and you nasty blood clot. Me know you from somewhere, me know you. I first me I see you drunk and I can't give me no argument. Me no want nobody come tell me nothing.
Lord Jesus.
Me I do pinky passion, me a free me, but I don't know the page I can tell me about talk to people. Or if it has, me know you're from somewhere. Me never see over here, so yeah, I post me I say you.
Lord
Me call up
Jesus.
and me ask her and say, oh, tell us me talk about your son, call name. She don't call no name. That is that. I go see if I never see say, yeah, my love, because they mix up over here, my love, and love run with people name. Claude call. I name, yeah, we pan to call for no one, oh. We not chat to blood clot, but get black. I'm live at YouTube. That's the comment of contact. Once someone somebody in a blood clot argument, you know what tell others people what's the you want ugly no blood clot, your son steering blood clot bad. The whole of them for rattling a person that was part in there. I saw a lot of corona problem with blood clot people and stir up people life. We don't sad blood clot life. We're not tacky in a foreign to big woman. And she called about diarrhea. We don't have no class, no etiquette, no caliber, no nothing, no blood clot. Come off of the child, post the wall, name drunk crow. We don't allow him alone. I hear a blood clot on a nastiness. Come off now. But suck out what you not have. I look for one to have and suck it. I love the blood clot. Anybody want to talk to and anybody want to help him and do anything for him, do it from them blood clot art and like you know what do it from them do ugly foot blood clot but because you know an art, you know, a source of body you not have. You not have no blood clot art. You know love the blood clot child and come off and bomber blood clot named drunk criminal like you know that's why I not compound blood clot, yeah. Because you all know are wicked. Because you not take my pitch tank, I'm going to be a man in a camera who make people do no blood clot things. Every blood clot day, you get up on the channel. Come off of the blood clot channel, I 365 days now the year. Every day I tell you no say, you know why now no blood clot mix up and back I leave him a blood clot, you no drunk crop. You don't have a life, you know a work, and if you no blood clot life, if you no life, and come off of the child fucking name no crosses. In tired. And they see them put up me love to kill them. In blood clot tired of uno. I'm tired to hear my cuss every day with nasty no old woman like uno. We no Pussy drop out from 13 blood clot years old, you know, man done with uno. So no low one find blood clot, he never take no man yet. And the man never broke me. No man never crippling my blood clot, you don't get cripplation from now, no pussy from man. Come man $15 no want to talk about it. If it class no nasty blood clot. Cause me would do the same thing to any post to give me nothing to talk about it. Me I rub on the right out like blood clot chalkboard. Every blood clot you know depending. Come off for the child. What she call? Remember say she call with diary in the house. With diary in the night. Strawberry have him phone, I wanna call him phone every blood clot here with mix up about he says she say what no blood clot say. Where uno say? What uno say? Uno not talk, uno so not talk where he and she and the old blood clot lady say we not no teeth. Come on for the child name. Crosses. Me tired of uno. If somebody come in our life to help, I'm gonna try every and any way for him blood clot. I lie, not this time I'm here. I am blood clot here. Not too much though, me tired of uno. Me tired of blood clot uno. How this start? Or what start? Joan come, Joan, listen. Me hear Joan and slaughter me. Joan and him followers them and him friend them. And the one who make loyalty to pan blood clot IG. Joan, anyhow me did that blood clot near me personally stab up your blood clot. Cause me a bad blood clot girl in a real life. Me not ask Christ. Me not, you notice me not come and come argue with nobody because me easy to get ignorant. Me is a blood clot Sagittarius. And me easy to get cross. So I don't have time to come here to come argue with a big pussy batty boy and if a dirty crosses me cause shit. Because me gear the rope to kill her blood class because when me ready. So no yes so can't walk up in a no gear stomach. I say not about no blood clot yes so because we have good stomach. Me give a lot of parent liberty me love. All the man with no bad blood clot stomach, we don't call the child out of bed all the while he must sleep and he get up. Just to entertain on a sad blood clot, sucky life. On a life sad. Very blood clot, and not even construction site now go blood clot, construct phone like because it's very sad. When I come and tell the people them on a pussy, when I go on, when I move on a ugly blood clot, now no face, girl. Now no face, now no teeth, now no blood clot, but the source of skeleton blood clot walking. Yeah. I should have worried about name, should have called name. Yeah, bad girl, you know, I'm afraid I'm not girl pan this, you know. Because I can't call every big pussy girl name right, so I'm afraid I'm not uno. Then if you call name. No, secret for me. Then if you call him. Let's go. Then if you call him, do you want to call him a tell us if you talk about our son? Why do you want to call no name? You think them a blood clot idiot, you want to call him because you want to take it out and integrity and get out and got judgment. That's why I talk, so I talk like I say, Erica, I don't tell me call chin phone, and me and blood clot chin bring you down and talking for you. Coming up, you record this, I talk and tell her. Coming up, idiot. No, say Erica foot big and Erica love Gwan and this and that. As I said to Erica last night, I mean, no, say me integrity, they come with me a blood clot idiot. Time junk, but time no fall. The year are done and the year are done in a blood clot. Baga. Big pussy Joanne. You do a blood clot work and mix up how your boss. Joanne, I rap no. Joanne just come call him. I will tell her so. That's the work. Because the way I say I don't like it because it's too hypocritical. Yeah, me could broke record. That's why blood run out on a pussy because God's son no crosses somehow no. And some run with some little white something back at it. The private other day with Tamara and Tanya. And Tanya said Tamara talking about me. All of me not cause Tamara. I said no. But the pan Tamara side PP plug. But the pan the busy where Chin wants, but the busy where Tamara want to talk about Chin and Tamara friend. And Ray and can put them back to blood clot together. And this is the thanks me get. Thank you no. Because Tanya is a walking mix of teeth in blood clot. Thank you no love. Whoa! Every day I'm study, you know, I'm right to no blood clot because I'm sign it tonight. You know, come off find blood clot named Drunk Crow. Come off. You know which is a talk? Whoa! Mr. Mad blood. Who remember the life? Who remember the time we live when we go live when time Tamara and Chin in a hot to some mix up and some chatting and some people get rub out in a head. I'm in the pan life and make peace between the two of them. In the pan Tamara me say. And we are Tamara friend, and we never see Tanya and this and that. You remember the live there? I was there. You remember the live? Okay. Tamara juice me like a lemonade, no blood, I never cuss Tamara. So I say me loyal, but me realize me can't tell me no loyal, me no loyalty. I never cuss Tamara, me love. I me hear the things them, me love. Me never cuss Tamara. Me still see a Tamara, me blood clot say, and the things them. So, all I want to say me right, forgiveness. Everybody, for some reason, about Dan and Tanya, everybody them feelings, Rachel. Dan and Tanya, everybody them feelings. Girl, we used to text me, text me. Class, you know, go back a blood clot door that we are talk about. Dan and Tanya go public and talk, you know, go back a them call me phone a class, Dan and Tanya, they not first live. Back a blood clot door, you know, not call a class them on yourself, you know, one Batman for doing a blood clot, dirty work, so good, nasty woman. I don't know do nothing for blood clot, more if you don't give 50 cents, you don't tell people say at 45. I no class. Move for no dirty blood clot and go look alive. Make the secret them bust out here tonight, the era done, me love you come out and come call up them and come talk. Make the secret them bust out here and come out and talk. Every blood clot morning. As morning like this phone, ping. You know I send blood clot this and that, but what this say? What you know blood clot say? What you know say? You know not talk what you know say. I'm not take your say, you know, me take what blood clot me see. So that's why you're not calling here? When me see. Me know see a she. No, say no. Say no with that color there. Me know see a she. But she can't go to she. No, say no. Well, the man make name call now. Then call name here where they come from and where they go on, my love. At least Joanne talk and say, me not say nothing bad about her son. That's what she said. She don't say nothing bad about her son, my love. But there is something else why Joan had for me. Can I say nothing bad about your son? Yes, I say something about your son. I say nothing bad about your son. What you had for me? I say something bad about your son. Joan, me no live in America. Joan, me no live in America. Joan, me no live in America. So I don't know what your son do in America. Me live in Spain. Me live in America. Blood clot.
Every day you pick them up half a life. You talk say you rate this, say you rate that. They are see there. Every day them put you down. And every day you pick up the dirty nano old girl them. Crotch bright pussy them.
That's why some Batman like real man. That's why people did ask me and say, why you into real man so very? Why you love real man so you hate real man? That's what they will tell me. See if you hate them. But in a real man because they're not good. And I said no.
I hypocrite the word.
They will tell me that. So why me have to be a real man in a real man?
1 and 2 you can't count by your and I say yes, liar, and real. But
you have nice real man out there. You have nice real man. Maybe
them,
nice woman were real and nice. And I love them. And they love me too. Yeah. Basically, the fake one used to sell pussy. Eh? And then go to my passport because they don't have no book in a foreign. Them the one them eat.
Sit down in a blood clot America, England, and all over 35, 25 years and not have documents. No man not even married enough to go no status of blood clot. Man married enough fuck out and breed out and still not have legal citizenship in the people them blood box run in a blood clot government service. I use people documents. I don't know for come off a strawberry blood clot name.
I say cause out you actually do it.
I would say so.
But in a comment section that you know look back them that
how do you know people business?
Should have to come out, come confront me with that.
Social media mix up she blood clot, mix up if you eat that page there. Hey, don't send me back no blood clot follow request because I not add you. I not go add you, not send me back no more follow blood clot request because I not go add you. I not like no. The real man them for me page that woman when me rate. I don't want no woman for be a man depend that a blood clot because a man me believe in her. I take what any girl man put in my bed. Any real man, man.
That's not say I cheat below. That's not say I cheat that one.
Social media mix up and mix up big
Jerome who know better do better. Nicky Fab, what mommy I try to change girl and they want to big up yourself, Nicky Fab. This is say you did it, me love me. I try to change my life and they want to come take me. Because me write the big apology to the people and say forgiveness to Dana and Tanya regardless of what. That they hate me for want to kill me and say me can't kill me, they're my friend. But me, Obi and to me and blood clot, you know. Me and Dana and Tanya go about to no blood clot and me still no want a friend from Dana and Tanya. But me and them we rub out to no blood clot and they say it there. They say just like when they come on phone platform and cuss them up, me go on feed them platform and bring down on a blood clot too. I want me done me gone, but my blood clot is not with no friend. I saw it blood clot go. Because I not take no name for nobody for IG, me love and play the blood clot game. When you say me and my friend, I'm going to be blood clot friend. Because them better than blood clot, you know. Them way better than you know, dirty people. Them way better than you know, dirty people. Yeah. I think they come tell me last year and I said, Dan, me I bring down my name, you know. And I see them group call like this again, you know. But they don't group this time, you know. Them in a group one another, no, we know. And I see them group call like this again.
And your name still in there.
And my name still in them, you know. In a non group. And my name in a group, and the bank and three-way call.
Let me ask you one question. I fuck no one strawberry if you can fuck the wall of blood clot. You know no talk friend, no just line up on no pussy and we do it. Because it look like say a cocky blood clot feelings, you know have or some blood clot thing, or no mouth too stink or something no talk every day. Wow, no blood clot problem. When no pussy I go no trouble, when you have no more grip, me can drop one blood clot.
I don't know if chin mix up or not, me love. She come prove that to the universe. I mean, I put my finger upon chin, me love, until when chin come out and come up in her mouth, then me and chin we have conversation. But for now, my mouth closed. So chin if you come out, me love, and come talk out of your mouth, I mean, hear what she say, and then me and chin we discuss what we're supposed to discuss, and that's it. But me not go put my finger and say chin, because Joe never call no name all now. Because Joan who says she not call no name all now.
You know, then you're Joan to carry in her throat.
She not call no name all now, me love.
But you every time you go on the internet and you talk something, it's like say them talk something behind your back and you think so the person will then talk it to come back and come tell you. So if you come live and you say something, the person will say it to the person feel guilty, so them are going to jump out and say this and say blood clot. I see him where say go, me study human psychology and I may know every blood clotting because if Strawberry write something and you know go for real man or batty man in just a right off her head. Some batty man or some big pussy now no old girl can to pick up it blood clot because you know are guilty. We not talk about him and not think that the person want to talk to come back and tell him. That is the blood clot issue. Say one of the players are guilty of saying something bad or infectious about.
That's why I'm writing for myself. You know, you just show some serious words.
And you just alright.
Why they never?
And same way some man stylish the blood clot catch up.
Well, I know. Look at this, Rachel. Why they never write it up with post up? Why never say, oh, I done our economy at 2 shades and find about it on? Why happy them? I'm the enemy.
Because at the end of the day, the drunk crowd them say something to us. Some put up one post for me WhatsApp with somebody and stylish pick it up, some rubber out. And the person when me and them that throw shades against.
It's supposed to sweet Tanya. It's supposed to sweet Tanya, make it sweet blood clot. Tanya if you jump up and rejoice, it's supposed to sweet Tanya. Can't only get Tanya blood clot victory. Can't no pussy. Supposed to sweet them. No, them alone, make them enjoy.
Sit down in a corner, we don't know put them up for the side and the rubbish with Tanya them. So if they go for the way blood clot, Tanya start rubbing on off, he say nothing. Yes. And Tanya supposed to laugh. Because at the end of the day, the world know some mascot, unintelligent, uneducated people on Instagram. And that's why I'm not right, name, I'm not right, be a fucker, because I can't spell. You know, if somebody decide that I want to type phone or what, but someone up on your dunce no blood clot and no ambition. Dunce. Fucking foolish set of people this I've ever seen on internet. Where are you from? Why don't you people go and look a fucking serious life to live? Go and go live a good life, man. 50 and 60 and 40 year old woman on internet a cuss over what? A cuss over blood clot or the whole on they are fine all over and if you go look something good to with them blood clot life.
I said, Joanna come in a question for you come confirm me and don't you come about money and royalty and they come be disrespectful. So me say me want a friend from blood clot who can't but who can't team. Who not talk about me can't blood clot team.
We give people money so they win off a blood clot we feel it. We give away all our blood clot which is to dirty people. And the same dirty crosses people, they might come and try past them place. But there's a 7-time blood clot rise, 7-time fall. And when me rise again, me I go kill everybody.
Remember, say me I go status, we can't fly out the country and fly. Some girl have to go status in another passport to fly out. Some girl live in a foreign country and can't take a flight go to Jamaica.
I arrest no some man up on yes, so legally.
They don't have no, some of them have no social security.
Government no some man yes, so legally.
Some of them criminal record strong in a foreign no blood clot.
You can't go in a hospital for no own insurance with no real blood clot name. Make me talk no Saturday Strawberry because me take the life tonight. No, can't go in a blood clot governmental organization with no real documentation that is issued to you by the government of the country. None of blood clot, no stop calling him. We're legal over here, so we not beg citizenship of blood clot. We not beg no man to marry and nothing to none of we are post to a man not married to none of we are put we out after. Oh. No man not married, none of blood clot. We are there with you and put we out after car. Pussy good, everything blood clot good. Come on for Jerome name. I leave him a blood clot alone. And the one and only friend you have your family now.
Yeah, Barry.
Big pussy blood clot.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, you remember I used to come on the lives all the time and listen and stuff like that. And your other side, you remember them try to tell lie on me and then you pick it up and was like, but this is old stuff and Nikki didn't know about that. I was shocked when you, all right, say for instance, you and me always did like Tanya and Dawn because I just find it entertaining and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But when Messiah go back over there, so I'm like, what the hell is going on? So I just stayed silent. I don't put no input on nobody's side, But the next time, if anything goes down, stay to yourself. Don't go pick one side.
That's why I bring
side,
the new
just
them
stay
blood
to
clot
yourself.
and don't say to me blood clot because what am I hypocrite?
That's a fact.
I can make up to
Just
put up a
stay to
post.
yourself.
To put up a post for my page and say, forgiveness, I'm right down and tell the name from the right that decay. Oh God, from the right the people must slaughter me. From the right
But
that.
there's nothing wrong if you're trying to make changes in your life.
They
just want to sit down. They just want to sit down and have arguments for no reason.
No, I don't want to
Bare arguments for no reason. And they say people don't want to leave them alone, but people have to answer.
When I notice
one side says something.
Them have one blood clot recording with Tanya, they call police and they want fucking that or whatever. Maybe every blood so they feel like that can't get me drawn out. And other than the Erica draft, if Erica never play that blood clot, I'm going to hear that.
Yeah, like the old, what's in the past, leave it in the past. But you know what, Barry? You know why they're going to always bring news to you? Because they want you to argue. And
I mean,
I just hope...
people like them. Listen to me, Ricky Farm.
Tanya, advice.
I cannot get done people program me a blood clot. Because what them done?
True. Tanya, just when they talk, don't answer, because eventually they're going to have to stop. They're going to have to stop. Them tell lie for me, poor me. Well, I don't even know nothing about big stuff. And they tell lie on me. So I know when you're trying to defend yourself.
You can't say, I change my love. She have to come out my love and the things then. She have to come out the things.
Don't listen to them. Listen, Barry, don't listen to them. Jerome, do not listen to them. They're just trying to make trouble. Even if Chin did say something, just leave it alone. Because, you know, they just want the argument to go into 2022.
I mean, tell me about the whole of them blood clot. That makes everybody get robbed.
It's like 1 minute they friends with you, then the next minute they friends with that person, and they friends with you.
Like, I don't want nobody pass social media send me not now pussy clot. None of only not send me not now blood clot. Everybody a go down.
Yeah, it's a new year. Like when me see people are arguing a cuss and people are dead by the numbers by COVID, I'm like, is this serious? Let me just sit and watch and don't have nothing to say. You're doing the right thing. You're trying to change.
You know, but Barry, you know, no one that can come in and give you 1 and 2 rub. Me say me not rub nobody. You know, but the people who say them rub, me not rub nobody.
And the only reason why people gonna rob you, the only reason why people gonna rob you is because you inserted yourself in other people's argument. You don't know nothing about these people's business, and because you're loyal and you're a friend, they, you know, they want to draw you in.
I'm saying most of that me just lie to them go buy them business, you know. If I dey with Chin and in blood clot sister, and I say Chin sister, my family business, me buy it out, you know, because I say me lie to Chin, you know.
You can't be loyal to anybody on the internet because they're fake. They're fake. The internet is their alter ego. The internet is their alter ego, because in real life they're not doing anything, so it doesn't make sense. Just try to. You say you want to do good, so do good. You have to leave these people in the past.
That Juan should have do. Let me tell Juan to call name so me can get down into business. I remember me work list, me have nothing they do me love.
Yeah, but then you're gonna only be stooping to their levels. You already know.
I've got me at my passport.
Let me stop calling you Barry. Jerome, you're a smart man. You know what time it is. Because Cuss, like, cussing never bring good words. Me hear you cuss Tanya's side and saying ugly, and nothing over there says not ugly. And people are hypocrites on the internet. And when you're cussing, people shouldn't even take what you're just doing it for entertainment. And then the people them in the comment section just taking it real serious.
Listen to me, Nicky Fab. If the rest of them want to cuss at entertainment, say, oh, you see, they want to make a cuss now, I bring down the blood, so the entertainment, I bring down water, down, study down.
No, I'm talking about, no, listen, Jerome, I'm talking about like when the ones that you ugly, and you know they're really truly the people that are ugly. I'm just saying it's
Well, me
just
not
for
talk about the next time.
entertainment.
This is not a debate blood clot. Me not
Right.
talk about the next time.
So
Me not deal
what
with the
I'm
people that
what
don't have
I'm
no
trying
loyalty
to
and want to
say,
tell me say me can't team. The
yeah,
people that listen
but
to
you
me,
should
Nicky
have
Fab.
known that
This is a
already.
conversation
You
where you
should have
come
known
with
that
me not
nobody
relevant.
have no
Listen.
loyalty.
This conversation, what you're coming with Nicky Fab is not relevant right at this moment, baby girl. Go back into the comment section and allow me to talk with me to my mouth. Stand in the comment section, my conversation is relevant now. I see you or something that Gwan, yeah. So you come, the conversation we talk one different time when God ready to come. But you want come talk who call me name to her, so I can bust me back and the girl them blood clot and class who forget class and bring down and dominate for blood clot. Do that me want do. Tell rotten teeth blood clot, you want to come talk who call me name to her. I want to think they are idiot. I don't think people really think me an idiot.
And everybody man they jump run out of school, someone will stay in a class and get high marks. And pass all the blood class. So.
Remember me live in America. The number one, me live in America, so I know. I'm doing me no your son, because I know your son them used to fuck me. I never suck none of your son them cock. Rotten teeth, blood clot, Joanne. Joanne master with a long time blood clot synthetic with them for your head. Joanne, you say your work. And you can buy good stable with put your blood clot head. Dirty Joanne, with a blood clot body, where your skin gone left your bone. Mm-hmm. Fuck out girl boss with what you're not come class, brassy that now go at my dad Sam, I black you. Class any of this girl but not brass, though. No girl mention brass name, I love brassy my baby. Class any of this girl but not candy brassy. You can't class brassy over young candy and diary. Class any one of them else no blood clot but no class them the one they may call them name. Don't class candy and don't class diary and don't class brassy, but class anybody blood clot else me no be. Anybody else who can class but leave out brassy and diary and candy, but you can class the rest no blood clot. I mean, hate the rest of them. Yeah, class the rest. Class chicken nuggets and the whole of them no blood clot. I mean, hate them. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I like brassy, no class brassy, me love. Class the rest of them, me love. Brassy, diary and candy, no class them, me love. Class the rest of them. Who for name, me no call class out them blood clot. I don't busy with them. I hate them like I don't surprise them. I mix up. They don't have no blood clot loyalty. I nothing about them. I'm a run and do all kind of things so they post them and then style me. When they know say them, they pan phone and bring down the people and them blood clot son. They go tell the people them say me bring down their son when they know say them. Tell me how much in charge the people them son getting them. Oh God Almighty. Joanne come call name. I'm head that chip. My head that chip no blood clot. Joanne come call name. Come call name. Okay, them can class me very okay. But when you say they don't class your step, you don't say nobody class your step.
Oh my God.
Step, me not say nobody class, if you never say it for the line, nobody don't class your step. Nobody don't class you. Nobody don't class you, me love. Me not somebody write your name. And nobody no class step, me love. Class anybody leave step. And then come to tell Steph, say me can't teach him. And me can't this, and me can't that.
Animal alone.
Yeah.
Wild animal alone.
All of me can't teach with a own a bagger. You see, all of the girls in a bagger, me can't team with them. Because people in a mix up, you mix up, you can't team with them, me love. You have to team with decent people. You understand?
No shiny boy.
Because anything I meet in a mix up, I got to tear way back.
Yes, yeah, we are meeting a mix up and you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere far.
Nobody that class your Steph. And them see there, them see me they run from me now. Them a big judgment here, the spotlight. Come me never want a spotlight. Me tell no say no leave, me no want a spotlight for me.
Big up Jennifer.
Me talk all of them, me say me no want in them a sit, me no want a spotlight for me. Me no want a spotlight for me, me big. Me say no leave me alone. Do no rubber the one I do, and class on our class and just leave me out of it, not bath, not fit, put me in it. You understand? I mean, I want a spotlight for me. So when big pussy to one, they saw to one she contact and run down. So to one gone, now to one come over here so contact your beating. I know for you anybody over here, Joe, make them come your mouth your blood clot. Now see Joanne, see your friend and come along over here. Joanne, see your matey Carlin must go over here, come meet Carlin, we take your man and take your drugs. Your blood clot, yo. Joanne come face your matey them and your family them. See Joanne, see your family member them for my life, yeah. Joanne, see your people them for my life, yeah. Joanne, when you call on disgrace for me, Joanne.
Stallion, who did over your page? We don't know who black her over there.
Oh, black her.
Eh?
I guess she there.
I wish she did. I wish she did. My body! Drugs, man.
Well, we say I don't want to find nobody do. I true. I don't find nobody. Many people eat us. I am by on the internet and that's it also. You can't tell you no, I don't find nobody, yeah. I don't become a topic.
Very, people can, let me tell you something. People can give anybody things in about. Come on, man. That's not supposed to be the topic.
It's going to be the topic with me because I'm the worst Batman ever.
So why? Why?
Because I'm the worst Batman in my workplace and all these things. So everybody just come and just use things that me. I ask people to think because I'm in a situation. And if me there work and so stuff, I would never beg nobody for internet nothing because I have a job. And because it's difficult when I ask people. I'm regret every day doing it. And because I can't do better every day. I ask Rachel much internet, Rachel, I tell them something. I don't like to ask people for nothing. I don't like that is not me because of difficulty. I reach a far and I'm nice, I'm reach now.
I would get bright with girl, but I don't call her bumbo clock name.
Joanne, please, me I beg you, Jesus and Joanne, Gwan, but you're busy with Dundee with your mother from my black hair from my page. So the old Joanne Gwan. And then when she said no, when she come to and she said that about
yeah, I like it.
When she talk about and say, you talk about my son, and they say me you know, if people them realize me joke back a little bit because they say, son, oh you know about
right, because
that me kind of like me not idiot. You know, shut the argument talk.
Yeah, you know who you talk it with, so you get me. Why? I mean, I understand. Sit down out. Old Simone, what's Tanya? Get hard up, Lord Jesus Christ. Can't bother them people here.
Anybody want to bring no champion with me, my love? I'll have nothing to do with me, my love.
Stuff on the mind you make. The people rob me. Do I beg you?
No.
Stop. Yeah. I feel see. I would say if don't make him.
Oh.
You
rob me. Me not go fit. But the point they come down and got nobody where they give me love. Can they give me a salad and run?
Hey, why I mean I understand. People for us love the giving and talking about. If make people talk, the person who you give talk and talk good things about you, that's blessing. You have a thing on your blessing, shower you. Worse if that people get it and person get it and it do something great. And then talk and say, Lord, me not tell like Steph, or Lord, me not tell like Shortbread, or Lord, me not tell like Stallion, or Lord, me not tell like Hugo, me not tell like you make me have a night good rest last night. You know that sound and feel?
Me say.
You know that sound and feel make you know say you do that. Hey, ask them down my ear, bro. Ear which I come from, no I see you. When them big people they praise me, no man. That's why I know blessing of a flow upon me like a river. I not ask me lying in my house. I'm just get beer money from all angles. May I tell you? I don't want nobody come talk about if me give you, and if you want to talk about it and bring me up, it's good. You're not gonna hear me, but no, my style.
Joan, I say, I sit down and phone Joan and Joan ball. Now, my ears, you know, I did a call to Joan ball and cry to me, you know. One thing I never do, I don't come class diary, though.
Yeah.
Joan moving all says blood clot and go away. She had the all over me. She had the all for the me bring down on the internet. Dirty Joan.
Alright. She was on live on dark page. Whatever she careless.
Oh.
Nikki.
Me tell you, step up on my phone.
Yeah, message you know.
Word like gone viral, you know.
Mama.
My star.
Steph call me name. One day, the viper them for. One viper them. One come draw me blood. I want to draw your blood no good, girl.
Did I read comments? I'm not making say nothing. You like that one physical make go call somebody.
Right, you don't feel say. The viper them want to draw your blood. Nobody that cuss up true. No matter something from people over here so innocent and not trouble people. I see people that cuss up. I will help them cuss up. As long as them innocent.
So I said them get calls. I walk out somebody.
No, she right and me I reach I say she don't want the people them to come inside.
And then not mix up and bag about. Keep on keep quiet when they chat on and chat. One of them to give me blood clot justice coming around. Cause them go chat me and break the blood clot line. They want to talk about that. When I chat for free.
Them don't give with a willing heart. You see, that me I make you know. You cannot give somebody something and them turn around and cause you never give it with a willing heart. You never. Once if somebody come to me and say, Steph, and it touch me deep, that's my office straight out and say, eh. If you not touch me, you're not get $1 a pound from me.
Oh, Steph, if be alive.
Yeah.
Oh. I always talk about Miss Joan, of course.
I can't keep up. Eh?
They say me always talk about Miss Joan, of course.
Me not understand them. Me like diary. Me love diary. Me love diary.
Me love diary.
Me love diary. I love her. Steph and her life diary laugh out loud. They think your blood clean. Like, you Mimi you're bad. Anyhow, you never wouldn't talk your who name Mimi.
Maybe they tell Steph.
You telling me never got to tell him.
Maybe me wrong Steph in their life. Every time you Steph attack up and live, we contact.
Don't they?
You come on live and chat. I feel like you beg up on live.
Hello, don't beg me nothing on live. Oh?
No, I love me. Can't bother to go up and I'm going to talk to somebody. You don't be attacked on live.
No, as a matter of fact, you not beg me nothing. You not beg me nothing at all. You never beg me nothing. So, me no want like judgment, you know. Me like enter judgment, oh? Me like enter judgment, and then me have to start stressing people. No, Barry, no do that.
It's short bread, yeah. Short bread warmer. Me a short bread have nice conversation. Short bread I want fake people, but I want the person who be on the kind of conversation with.
You want be a car
conversation.
I don't know how people kids and tell. You can't give people things and talk about it. Oh. This man said them was on my live. I'm on the live.
I saw was there on the live. You look on the live.
I was on Steph live. I wasn't robbing you.
Barry. Okay, I just done it. Okay?
Man.
Yeah.
Barry, yo, we just not like.
Wanna look good? Explain to me. Wanna look good?
Explanation.
Listen.
You want explanation? Me look at more here from everybody point of view. Wanna look good? Explain to me.
The whole back
Karen over there.
who this said.
Karen. Yeah, Karen over there.
You understand what I said, Barry?
Yes, I mean, you're good.
If somebody give somebody something, why is it?
Don't mind me, boss.
Like, yo, you give people things from your heart. If you give somebody something from your heart, just don't give it Just don't give.
Yes, Karen, I did bring
I
up
want to
a
say, Mel, everything happened to them. Look,
I
use
did
human
bring up a
psychology, me love,
Karen
because I see things in a
judgment.
situation, in a
Me
things
just,
in life.
I see
yo,
bring up
me
a
just
live
don't
there.
like the giving and
Never
talk
know nothing
about.
about it.
Yo, me
I
just
just say, go, me love.
Me I
But
read
don't
it
use
yo,
tweet of them that they do all the
but me
time. So now do
yo,
like a
me,
I read
if you are gonna
it
give,
you
just
know.
give from your heart
Baga
and just
baga
leave it
no
alone,
cool.
brethren. Cause this
And
one
fit me
situation never
every
have to reach so
time.
far. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, just call it a day. Just done. Just
I made them
done.
done, man.
Just take the high road. Just take the road. Go.
A true man, Barry, a
You
true.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
Just do you. Remember, you have a plans, I'm gonna tell you, this is where the moon is the enemy, the devil want. If you just
The
continue
devil.
every day, you just get up and
But the devil, the enemy.
you understand? Just you have a plan. Can you talk about your plan? Just do your plan.
A
You know
true
how long
man.
you know come for internet come Cuss?
Oh, God.
And if you just come now, you just if I made start yesterday, come like you can't stop. Just done. Me I beg you.
You know what kind of
Yo,
season?
when I can't put up some so sometimes when I put up some topic I'm just come with some topic where just nice, everybody just intertwine with it and just want reason. Yo, at that most time some people come find out very
That's
just
true.
done. They just not look good. And me sit down in the comment and me say, yo, this sad. And the internet is not a real place. You can't give people things and talk about it. And from your
Hello, internet is a real place, guys. It show up people. You know, it show up people it show up the real from the fake.
The fear.
No,
Internet, yeah.
all that too, but Steph, yo. And another and yo, this shit just not look good.
You know,
Come
look good for
on,
true.
man.
Yeah. Hmm? There,
That's
man.
something right, yeah. Right, Barry, don't listen to people. They will. Me done, man. Keep going.
Yeah, man, let make it go on, man. Make it go on, make it dead, man. Make it dead. Everybody for us live as one. We are all one big family. You know, remember I say, we are one big family. Living in this country. It's true. We are one big family, man.
Big
And the
family, me
whole of
love.
it black. White not the fire, not China not the
Me
fire.
a big finger.
And the whole of it, whole of it come from jam down. If them even American or British, them have some Jamaican disease in them blood. Come on.
Me a big finger.
What are we are one, man?
Me a big finger very far
True,
from the
man.
rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend, me a listen to you, man. Me a listen to you and Steph, my love. Me a walk away from it, my dear. Me a listen to you, not take it.
Yes, my love.
Me take it, come in and lose
Really.
nothing, my love. Me.
Love it, man. Love it. Because then there's fifth element, you know. Then there's fifth element. Then just call on judgment. I'm going to tell you from
Yeah,
the other than
yeah.
that.
And they say, boy, chain. If me them say, boy, chain, you're very tacky. And me say,
You would not do it because I don't like to draw down the body when them down.
This are going to Pussy clot.
Don't do it. Look how much money feed them.
Everybody has done the life, them come to me. They my business, I don't trouble nobody, soldier. Every time you do this to me, everybody will take me, so I'm sorry for me. Why they're always a come for me? And I thought
They have to black me out for your life.
nothing, soldier, but I tell you, I'm not like nothing. Stop class me. Oh my God. But now I'm not class me because I'm sure of it. All these sacrifice for me, I'm a father life. A person, they attack for the story and cry when you go to the father.
I'm going to tell you, somebody, what do you want to rub down Erica? Erica, and I give you today, they stop that you come tell me, but me not do hypocrite, Mary. Me not do hypocrite.
I just can't say that about
people.
True.
Aye. You know, say, come down by inbox and I say, ask one of my team, yeah, juke, yeah, juke, the wrong dolly. Yeah, juke the wrong blood clot, big
Anton, me
dolly.
not say nothing, Auntie, but what I'm trying to explain, right? Me not trouble him. Everybody at inbox me, them sorry for me, and what Barry know about me. Barry never take a dead man off of me yet. You understand me? I one blood clot, somebody tell me off a suck with a shoddy. Palm blood clot don't show me off a suck cock.
Come off of here.
You understand me?
But Mama, me I say you find out really say Barry said that for real?
My girl, me
I
not
come talk
trouble him.
about
I
big
never
gold
guess
push
everybody have
and
text
the
me.
fear.
He said
And
it
my
on the live.
I
shit
don't
up.
trouble
Let me
him.
tell you something. When
I
you are
from
custom
what
blood
yeah, I
clot,
trouble him.
man, me can't tell.
I'm do I be nice
When
to
me are custom,
Barry.
True, yeah,
when me are custom blood clot, man, me say anything come on my blood clot, man. My mouth can class him zero in a
Me not
blood
do him
clot.
not no mums and not every time him
Me
do
no
that I
like
switch
that
it
way
for
I
me
go
cause big
on.
pussy Tanya never tell him things.
Nobody not tell him
True
no.
shit this way I
Nobody
go
not
on
tell
for
him
the
not
life, yeah.
hungry. And after him go on
No,
after people
sorry,
money.
you're right.
When
Tell
him
them
have
not tell him
feeling.
nothing. You're right, pussy.
Don't believe
Tanya
nobody.
them. You're right,
Nobody's
that
telling him
puss.
nothing. This is a dirty batty man. This is a 0.0 batty
Listen,
man. This is the lowest
Ching,
batty man in the world.
Yes.
Oh
you
my
gotta
God.
understand people. Some people only know manipulation. This whole situation, because even if, as a friend, if anybody had anything, everybody got each other phone number. Who don't got phone number got each other inbox on IG. So why did it have to go to a live being
Somebody talk, you know.
Yeah, why my brother?
Every time I call the blood clot, him like they take a dead man off of me.
Yes, it didn't never have to reach to this. Because if you feel like it was something that needed to be addressed, just like how anybody call your phone when it's a problem or they need anything or they want to talk, if it's a problem, you should be able to call your friend phone same way.
He
Same
has a
way.
fan never talk on me sacrifice me baby father. Everybody know our blood clot Corey dead. Corey dead with a gunshot by him friend. Me never sacrifice Corey a blood clot, me not down jail. Me and the suit that have nothing to have Susie, me and him just talk. Me have everything can show on my phone. My sister-in-law called me and said to me, say, see you don't fucking listen, boy, you low
Barry,
law.
look for me
Everybody tell me
grandkids
don't
them
chat to
Christmas.
him. When I talk
Look for
about
me
everybody
grandkids them
in the
Christmas.
gonna chat to him, I'm still chat to him.
Oh my God. So you reach so far?
Me not do him not no miss. Everybody, when
blood
the people
clot
themselves in the
say.
life, I'm Susie, me not answer him.
Oh my God.
When I talk to
Where
me
I
over
say
here, so like
Christmas
you
over
pay my
here.
bills. Hey, I mean just blood clot, get this. Nobody not get this to me a blood clot. Take a good look. King blood clot,
Rock and
California, but
blood
just
clot
get this.
coming. Chili bed
Just
nice,
blood clot
chill.
in.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, with music in a you blood clot through every pussy clot thing. Every time you come for me for no reason.
Now let big up
Mama,
yourself.
mad where yo, them thing I must go on in a bridging, my
I don't
mad.
know why.
Thank
I'll
you,
bet where
Susie.
you're a
Thank
very
you,
class
Susie.
big woman.
Thank you, Susie.
Oh, she's
Thank you,
so good.
Susie.
And she's so pussy. And then something that hurt. Maybe if you say it's sad. The way I behave to the big woman, we feed him all the while. I'm a one, Juan,
Mama,
Miss One, Juan,
Mama,
couple
say na video
years
they come give me, let me see a video. Let me never see a video there. I swear.
Me not response who want blood clot of it. Me know me pay feet, I'ma feel good. My dress receive it, I'ma pay my good blood clot money. So who want have it? Me proud of my 2,000 blood clot I don't pay. I'm a mattress that cost 6,000. Me not give a fuck who want blood. So man come suck up my pussy pan alive and that's some hypocrite. Me know some not blood clot like me not found.
Focus on where we are focused on. Focus. What said them have it is not nothing. It's just my friend. Him just the same have the bed.
Oh, your
My
friend,
friend.
me think of the enemy post. Me think of enemy people. Me don't know who post. Me not trust the people. Me know. Oh.
Who know worry about
Oh,
me and
sorry,
me not
puss
have
friend. Me never know say your puss friend.
Oh, this where's the now Susie?
Me I say it's soon reach the pussy clad far till all one girl I said then she kill her baby father. So the other day all with the pan live man kind of
Yeah, me I tell you the people them. Oh
Nobody
no.
not keep the love. Nobody
No, sorry, John Wayne. I didn't know. I don't know the people them John Wayne. I apologize. I thought it was the enemy. I tried to play themselves, John Wayne. I'm so sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry. I apologize for
John
any
Wayne
way
said
I
me
say.
not coming again.
Yeah, I got talk about me. I'm black, I'm fat, I'm nice, I'm blood clot. When I'm nice, someone go on, what you say?
Susie, me talk to Barry about my baby father. Barry know everything. Me and Barry and Tamara talk me before Tamara. So when you dep on the life, I say, I sacrifice my baby father. And y'all kill for richness. Me not kill my baby father for richness. Me know for save. That's why me have a wallet for money. That's some fucker thing. A person when me have laugh on phone. Me love your chin. Me have loyalty to you. If you call me 2 times, I'm not answer your phone. You want to bring me down?
I feel so sorry.
Mama,
Barry, don't do it, Barry. I'm roll out the carpet. Don't blood clot, do it, Barry. What you feel like? Down blood clot. You go all your blood clot.
Mimi, I like you too. Listen. First of all, nobody didn't do Barry nothing.
Make them come suck out your blood clot. Me,
Nobody
she, we are even come out your wall.
So he should have never taken
Come on, now get me lock off from my blood clot. You come like a hypocrite.
Stop booze up on
you shouldn't say it's uncalled for because he shouldn't do it. He shouldn't do it.
Man. Stop booze up the comments. The comment section stop booze up things, the man. One tuna man, just a push things so.
No, I don't trouble him, Steph. Steph, everybody has sent the thing to me. Very over there, bring it down. I want strange page send it to me. I don't know the page to change.
Bring me down from
I want you to Barry some secret.
Bring me down, I avoid him. I avoid, come here, say me don't want to go this place. Because like me say, Barry, me good at what me do, me the best at what me do. I'll know me not see nobody defeat me. I'll know me not see nobody touch me. In Barry, me still glowing like, what the fuck? Eh? Doctor say if you want me for picture, look at that face. The face, Barry. 14 way I say.
It's not cute. I'm not gonna lie. This is a big disgrace. This is not cute.
Him do it all the time. He do it to me last year. When then the people in the war, me not trouble him. Three months, them rejoice him, come bring me down. Him and British.
Just here, Barry, just say other day, yesterday say him not in a bugger, him not in no argument. So
no,
one argument.
Listen, hello, Suzie.
Suzie. Your mind.
You supposed to pick up the
Hey, Barry trying to be second done. We can't talk one time. Speak at 1 hour.
No, me.
What Barry do yesterday? In try to say him now, him a cleanse himself. But what do you mean he a cleanse himself and then he a push war to Erica and Chin?
Right.
Thank you. Okay.
If you a cleanse himself.
You know about Tamara when him saw me start the war over down them. You are a wicked pussy wall.
You can't start a war over down them
it's called divide It's called divide and conquer. It's called divide and conquer. That's all it is. I don't think nobody picking up the right of what's going on. Okay?
I don't want to do this. No blood clot test. Yeah?
Nobody can trick me.
We have one blood clot much man. Testing one. What the blood clot testing 1, 2, 3 now work. What the bomb clot?
The microphone, you see? The microphone not working. Anybody that want to pay anybody to cuss anybody, that's their business. More power to them. More power to them.
You know what you
people.
Who young No, sir.
Barry, not because people are afraid of you, mean people afraid of you. Nobody afraid of you like Puss. Yeah, that's what I'm going to
yo, me not trust nobody. It's trust nobody on a blood clot live. Yeah, me not nobody enough.
Yeah, you can't be on your Suzie. Hello. What about blood clot? Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Everybody going down, way down.
Suzie, me not troubling 10,000 live. In my class, me what do you Tamara see on one life? Me not dead there. Somebody blood clot talk to the way. So Barry, what you know about me? All the time, yeah. Barry, what possibly you know about me? Honestly, Barry, I always did it for you. You say you love me, a loyalty. What you know about me, Barry? I say if come cuss me, I'm ready for you and them.
You're not good person.
Me not trouble him. I'm a sacrifice. Me them a people take me as a train. You the thing the Barry same love you attack. Me never make Barry cause a soul for me. Never because I'm my own and him come in and join my life.
Me and Erica, every day people talk about you, Barry. Everybody know who you is. You're the root of all the evil. We know you, Barry. We know you. We know what you possess. Only thing you could have tricked and get our things.
Suzie. Then come play the bass note with me and Erica like me to talk on the same track. Erica, I don't even tell Puss nothing. I told them to talk it. To talk it, come. Because him know where my chin come play the bass note because you alone 100% bass note. I'm afraid of him. And from yesterday, I want to come out and throw my body at him as a chin trailer.
And me attempt from yesterday say Chin, leave it. From yesterday, one heap of people want to come out for the Barry and me easy to have Chin. Me
Yes.
answer. I
Yes,
said,
because the
leave
people
it.
them tired. I must have said, Pam, about him and friend them want come feed. Yes. But I
Yeah,
nothing
from
from you.
yesterday, I'm here
Because
me
people have
answer.
said the
I
things
said,
them to them in box
leave
them
it,
and not
leave
trouble
it.
him. Me not trouble him, Susie.
And me from this one. Me stop it from yesterday. So what are you saying? Eh? When we come and
From
attack the
yesterday,
truth.
when no,
Everybody has to put your have your
so
contact.
fine.
Barry,
When
we have to
switch up,
talk
you
about me
want
say.
something
We
from me
have
or what?
to talk say. We have a blood clot talk say my man there with one young girl. At least it's not an old foot
You
of that
black-hearted
man.
lady, go
It's a
suck
young
your
blood
mother,
clot
okay?
girl. Where I say. We have
Fuck
blood
you.
clot say, cause that's how
Now
we
hold the
say.
clock.
We have blood clot say. Text. Sure.
That shit bipolar, virgin. Like, yo. I get
No shit
all
nobody.
time.
The man is a big crat. The man is a dirty piece of shit. Eh? Barry come
You
out and
when
bury
switch
these two
up,
shit and
very
people
if you
turn that
stop
shit.
them
And I
switching
don't even
thing there.
want to
Matches
bring
in
it
front
down
of
Like a
request.
now.
Come
hype
off
up,
of my
if you
page.
stop them thing
I'm gonna
there.
kill him blood clots when we done today. But Barry, let me tell you something, man. When me a rub man, me not sleep na blood clot, Barry. Car park pull up na blood clot. Right through pull up, come remember say, me live in
Listen,
a big
you survivor. It's too
old.
late for that because Barry pressed live. And Barry come go on with a whole lot of things
I'm
and
very
talk a whole lot
concerned.
of
I know what
things
you say
that
about big
shouldn't
old,
talk.
very.
Well, you know what she has said? The Bird Press Live. When yesterday,
Yes.
that man?
Barry big.
Very too old tired, man. Even because people are entertaining over there. And nobody in the comment now tell him, say, Barry, stop the fuck, everybody free. Like Barry have them secret. Me and Barry never chat nobody
Because
yet.
them for them
Me and
want to
nobody
bring down a chin,
never
but
chat
I walk
nobody
with the
yet.
nose them have people that say me to a walk.
Feed her.
Me and nobody, me
Yes,
and nobody finds people no chat people. Cause me do bagga but me no chat people. Before me chat you, me avoid you. Not one girl or boy can come and say, oh, Puss did say that really
Enough, no
fucking true.
loyalty, and him a come talk, but me run out for chin, me they like chin, me they like chin,
my
but you don't
God.
like me, he's a wicked.
Him like
Me
your
don't like
things,
people love
Chin. And you
sweet
have put him in
girl.
a
Hey, you
hotel
get
how
to the
much
Susie, me not
time?
do him Susie, me not do him nothing, mumsy. Everybody send the life to me, a big from the Bronx, so I'm sorry for me, I'm very ugly. One girl said, Ken, yeah, Barry, yeah, you just suck out, would I fuck somebody, but Barry say, why my little start for you? But everything with Tanya, them are...
Record blood clot come over your son.
Ungrateful, hungry and hungry.
Blood clot your
I'm
son.
hungry and hungry, but very. In my bed. Remember me in my bed now when you call me and tell me say you're hungry. I will never hesitate. You know?
You keep picking
One of
the
my
wrong
hypocrite,
bitch.
but I tell him not to do puss. The one who wants the chin get bring down. Because when him a call my
I
blood
joke
clot
about the
name, I send the phone, I
day.
need the
I bring down
comment. Release your pay and Barry, but I'm telling you something, my pussy good, my all good, and my mouth good, now blood.
Johnny,
yeah, hang up
I Kiki.
blood. Very
Bomb.
judgment by your blood
What,
clot.
man?
Blood clot this year trouble. You're going to shoot bullet under your
I
blood
see my
clot
phone,
now,
I'm still come
bumbo
up for
clot.
very clear your mind at 2017, but when the body man, them a bring down no blood clot. When anybody have
Yo,
nobody
Kiki,
from before, but very clear your
What?
mind. Because you don't want to bring down, but the phone bring down like a blood clot come.
it never ever go down blood clot well. Very two blood clot. After me, a beg Chin from when Chin, don't pay him no man, just leave him. Leave him, kind of go through a heart. But
Susie, everybody send the life, come give me, say, what me do to Barry? Make him always treat me so.
Boy, mama, me tell you the truth, and
request
God, me
Kiki.
never stay alive there. I swear, this way me right now, me just shut up, I'm in a depend life. Cause me can't tell the bagger, so me not too depend me, I focus on my
About
life.
100 times
So
from
this way I go on right now, I can't believe because I depend life.
Me not tell him, and whatever, I'm to me, say, don't, bagger, don't do that because the people are not. Me say, me here, Tanya. Any bagger with Tanya, blood clot, can they talk about my daughter?
Right.
Susie, did I say something wrong?
No, you don't say nothing wrong because of your daughter, mama, your daughter that.
Up out of my hole and drop in a Paris mouth. So me turn to him and say, me not like her. Me know why you apologize to them for that. Me say me can't say it again from the live.
So who apologized to them?
Barry.
Me bumbo clot. Me no know how would
But nobody not care. Nobody care if people apologize. Clean blood clot. Good blood
Yo,
clot.
that's why me not trust nobody no more. Yeah, they
blood clot.
apologize to them.
Before Puss get involved and when car Puss name, enough of them already want to bring down Suzie. Enough of them already start talk about Puss. Me tell him to stop it, move on the blood clot, they can't make them send to me. Cause I don't want him bring down big watch him and my all tight.
Yes, ma'am.
And black up them on hypocrite blood clot when me done.
Yes,
no, yo, no follow them Eden, yeah, them Eden, nobody follow them on the fucking commands, no follow them.
Kiki face.
Connection.
Pussy club, me can't leave this.
Me don't want to interrupt nobody, you know. Am I time to talk?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go on, do it.
Me tell you what I say, you must have Strawberry and leave me alone. But you know, yeah, Strawberry, you can't cuss no real up, man, because you have a big body wall. Strawberry, you want them have breasts, them can bring forth picnic. What can you do? You can't even keep a blood clot house by yourself, bitch. You need to leave people alone and come up with a blood clot name. You don't look good, Strawberry. Strawberry, these are the last days to blood clot what the Bible speak about, and you go down. Yeah, speak about the last blood clot days you're going down. Nothing about your wrinkly, dinkly, ugly looking blood clot, water, bus, pan, batty, man. You see, you look good. You want to cuss everybody and not get paid, stop get paid. Jameson never surprised to blood clot. You can't telegram me to see we want
Steph,
to clot.
I never see a comment.
You
No,
can't
but
cuss
if you
no
want to
real
put
man.
argument, it's up to you, Steph. Me never call them name. I do a blood clot comment. If I talk to you, but who no answer you when you talk to me a while ago, Steph, my answer you good. You said, train, I tell you, Steph, I'm just Steph, I don't do it. Oh, come here, come type for me, you talk. If me talk, you talk, you Steph, me say yes, you.
Voila. When the real man segment done in the car, when the class, the batty man in the car back.
Sorry, go on,
No, you
Kiki,
can't
go on, Kiki, go on, Kiki, go on, Kiki.
More Strawberry. You realize who you argue with? You always argue with people who are pretty than you.
We're pretty.
We're pretty than you. Strawberry, we don't have no breast. Strawberry, it's a blood clot. Or you want some? You want some? Yeah. Real. No pain, no injection. Real. Girl, nice for this. Strawberry, you can't do this. Strawberry, you can't do that. Strawberry, you can never look like nobody. Man. You want cause she, and your life is in a blood clot mess. I want your Instagram, bully. Who you about try, bully? You can't bully nobody. Strawberry, everybody argue with them, take care of it. Strawberry, question. One ask the girl them over here, so one question, right? What does Strawberry have over anyone I don't know? What Strawberry have over Chin, Suzie, Tanya, all them guys?
Kiki, I don't trouble him, Kiki. People from 1 week ago.
No, I know 1 second. I know you don't trouble him. I'm asking you one question. What does he have over you?
I'm a woman, me a woman, I'm a man.
You want me to ask what you have over you?
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
You look better than you. You live in a better house. You don't know how to do it. So my son go drink my room today. You beat out your blood clot of my life. My son go crush my life. You step by top part there, so we put name there. And water batty bury me a blood clot put. I'm on the whole like girl no say you be argue before they even press for the blood clot like good. Yeah, you know they press for the life and you start stuck little bit and you start hear the people them when you start see the name so water batty bury before you even start you know get attacked. Yeah. two blood clot much. We're tired of you. And everybody you argue with your blood clot you out. You can't cuss no girl you have nothing in a blood clot life. You cuss me so me go from motel to motel, don't it? Me na one motel. I don't check the fuck out. You don't want next motel go sleep and come back. You start backstrong like a dog. If you ever act to blood clanners and you want to argue with people. Sorry, you need me for your maga. So all in yam like what you big and then you can't put on no weight. Why you want maga like a blood clot toothpick, so? Eh? Nothing about it into the blood clot country. You want to argue with everybody on the grammar. While living in a good house, have good kitchen and good this and good blood clot and nice blood clot picnic. Nice, Shabby, you know, breast, you know, woman, you can't push on the picnic you want class and two picnic. If you go, man, the human and continue in conversation and continue, because if you go, you see a sauce about Tamara, you want to like a mirror to blood, you can't fix back.
Look on Christmas, Berry.
Gotcha, you don't have no Christmas. My Christmas, hold on, people on the Instagram and the public announcement. My Christmas is coming. But watch it. You want to come class, me? About motel. Me soon show you something, Batty boy. Go show you something. Leave the people alone. Leave the woman alone. Come out of the blood club and the woman will try to help you and give this and give that. We are custom far. If they say something enough, you answer them because them blood club stick by your side. We are custom. On across with me. My woman keep my company at night and daytime and blood club forever. When I look at you. Big up to the girl who like me, I mean, the blood clot,
Yeah,
but man, if
yeah.
it like that. You see a stranger life, the blood clot, you can't find one girl for blood clot like it. And help you get one blood clot room. Watch out, see Emilia. See Emilia at the dolly, at the blood clot dolly, me come off. Me come on when you add. Eh? So, take me down, mama, me a person now come off. But you take down somebody else.
Stop it, man. Not there nothing.
I like woman will help you. Make sure say the whole like woman have a blood clot you cuss right now, then give you something. And they help you out before.
Pussy alive, I break up. Body a text me the life, but I sacrifice my baby father. Yeah, me sacrifice Corey. Was skill with a gunshot. You know that too. You cries on the phone with me about that. So I have a truth in my face. Yes, say you love me, and I have no loyalty.
Found your little blog. Why are you writing about this?
Daddy, no intro, bust it. No introduction, just bust it down. You got this?
Know that he took a beating last night and ran off like a little girl.
No, daddy, to blood clot. Who's not coming up when daddy come up here?
You have any idea?
They want you to the little man come up, my love.
No clue. So, if you don't want to drink, I should probably get back to work. Actually, I prefer to buy.
Tamara?
Time you off.
Fly, it's a skip.
It just keeps spinning.
Like my dad.
Then I report the line.
Yeah, them I report it. Because I locked down my page.
Right, man. That rival. You want?
Listen, real Anne-Marie. Hold on, Puss with the microphone. Hold on, let me address this right quick. Papa, let me mute the TV for 1 second. Go in your room and turn on your TV. This is the whole thing. Why is telling me people following me? Anne-Marie, Barry should have come and talked to anybody that he had a problem with. Okay, and he had everybody number. Who number he don't have, he could have inboxed them. I'm the person, me and Puss was calling peace and trying to make everything just dissolve and it don't be no problem and it don't come to this. But you see how the pussy shade and all of them something. I don't got time for that. He should have called first. Barry shouldn't do it. And he disrespect people. No, loud Barry. No, Barry's supposed to allow people.